Good morning, Buck Osmond, Collier RV, Rockford, Illinois. It doesn't seem like it's ever going to quit raining, so we have a little break in the weather, and I'm going to knock this out right now. It's a 2025 Alpha Wolf Cherokee 26RL. And she is pretty. Do have solid front cap, automotive grade windshield, LED light strip on the front, 20-pound tanks, electric tongue jack, place to put your plug and hooks. I do appreciate that. Nice big battery on board. There is an area for two of them. You do have prep for side cameras, prep for the backup camera, magnets versus clips, slap latches, love seeing that. Got our battery disconnect right here. Good size pass through. Manual stabilizer jacks, but I do feel like manual is just as good as electric. Get yourself a drill, two batteries, you're good to go. You have mirrored tint on the windows. Love the consolidation here. TV hookups, fresh tank, black tank flush, city connection. I said that backwards. Hot and cold shower. Dump station. I see one, and I do see a spot to put the dump hose back there. Your furnace connection, Insta-Hot, is on board. Tankless hot water heater. This thing is slick. You know what? I'm going to shut that because it is going to start raining again. Gotta love slap latches, right? Good size slide back here. A true exhaust for your stove. It gets a little tight. Sorry about that. Love the windows. Amount of them at least. Power service is 50 amp. 2-inch receiver. Again, prep for the backup camera. You do have a Lippert ladder attachment for a Lippert ladder to get up there and do your roof maintenance. That's pretty darn important. LP connection for a griddle or a grill. Look at the windows. Electric awning on the slide, LED lights. Also electric awning over the door entrance with prep for a camera for security at the door. Solid steps, drop handle. First step on, we got our hand on the handle, that's great. Friction-based door, also great. Alright, with opposing slides in the rear living, we end up with a lot more space. First, right when we get in here, we have our slide controls and awning controls, Insta-Hot controls, LED lights, which somebody left them all on, so the battery's dead. We do have a tank heaters. This is cool. So all these strips are light strips, and you can adjust how strong they are, but that makes this very bright at night or else very dim. You do have storage under there, your table, chairs, place to put utensils, nice recliners. If you guys aren't getting along, you can have your little divide with cup holders. Look at that, we got hidden power, that's nice. We get back here, oh, these are blackout shades. They're definitely going to make it extremely dark at night. I prefer those. We have ourselves trifold sofa here, power stations, storage above. We get over here opposing our recliners. We have our fireplace, our TV, also hidden storage behind, spice racks, plenty of shelving. I would go to the container store after you measure that up and get containers for that. That way it travels nice. Solid countertops, traditional small microwave, traditional oven, traditional 3-burner stove. Again, kitchen island. Making sure they're using all the space. Cutting board, rack, vegetable rack, cup washer. I mean, that part's kind of crazy. We get over here, 12-volt convection, or 12-volt compressor fridge and freezer. So because it's missing the LP system, you have 1/3 more depth inside for storage. That is powered by the battery though. Again, nice little storage pantry. It's a nice touch, I like that. More storage over here and above. Nice spot for the coffee maker. Now I know I move fast, so let me kind of go a little slower and let you get a view. You do have in-house vac. Missed that earlier. This is your furnace intake. Your breaker box is right at the door. I do love that. We cruise along, thermostats in the hallway. Got a nice 45 on the shower, good max air fan, porcelain toilet, sink, medicine cabinet, good storage over there. Pass-through bathroom, that's always a plus. TV mount in the bedroom. You got your bed. Traditional storage, easy access to get the bags in and out. Then you have your full wardrobes with drawers. You do have hidden power behind. That way you can put your phones back there. Storage above. Mattress is okay. And the clothes hamper. Alright. One air conditioner on this unit, but it's a 50 amp service, so it's definitely prepped for the second one. Thank you. Have a good day.